Good afternoon, teacher. Good afternoon, classmate. My name is Diego Correa. On this day, I want to talk about the classification of the consonants. In the English alphabet, have 21 consonants: A, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, P, Q, R, S, T, U, W, X, Y, and Z. But in spoken English, have 24 sounds. For example, P, B, T, D, F, B, Th, Th, M, N, N, H, Ch, J, K, G, S, S, F, S, L, R, R, S. In the classification of the consonants, have a two. For example, by the manners of the articulation and the place of the articulation. I want to talk about of the manners of the articulation. For example, the stops. A complete the obstruction of airflow occurs, following by an explosion. For example, P, T, K, B, D, J. Fricatives. A narrowing occurs in the vocal tracts that force air to pass through a narrow channel, creating a friction. For example, F, B, T, Th, Sa, Si, S, and Ha. A fricative combines an occlusive with fricative. For example, she, the word check, ye, the word jump. Approximants. The vowel tract is narrow, but there is no obstruction. For example, in double B, wall, J, yellow, R, room, L, low, L, pill. Another nasals have three: bilabial, alveolar, velar. There is no obstruction on the mouth, but air escapes through the nose. For example, bilabial M, alveolar N, and velar N. The other classification is the place of the articulation, laterals. Air flows occurs on the side of the tongue. L. Labiodental is produced with the lower lip and upper teeth. B. F. Glottal is produced with the vocal cords. For example, the letter H. Hot, wall, ahead. And finally, the palatal. It is produced with the body of the tongue and hard palate. Have the example J, jump, jacket, jet, jolly, jar, jaguar, jack, jump. To do my investigation, I used this reference. Thank you, teacher.